Hello crazy people, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. I'm back with another interesting video where I will be talking about Steer IT of Campus 2020. So you can expect the company review, recruitment process, whether to join it or not, company location and blah blah. So stay tuned till the end to decide. So before we begin, I have a small reminder to all of you. So if you're looking for company recruitments, off-campus notifications, placement reviews, placement preparation, company reviews, etc. I recommend you to check my other videos before we begin. Also do subscribe and share the videos with your friends, only if you like them. And smash the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's get started. So the company that I'm going to talk about is Steer IT off campus, Steer IT company, which is located in Bangalore, and it's a startup based company. And in this company there are only two rounds. The first round is online aptitude test and the second round is technical. So you can expect a technical plus HR in the second round. So there is nothing to worry about because there is no coding round here. You can expect MCQs in the aptitude round. So that's great and everybody can do it. So whether you're from IT or CSE or not, you can easily crack this. Right? So what are they looking for? They are looking for trainee software engineer for freshers as of now when I'm making this video. So BE, BTech and computer science MCA students can apply for this. I think most of the students can apply for this, MCA even. And you must be having a good communication skills, problem solving. So whether you do not worry about computer science, even though you are not from computer science or not, do apply for this because it is simple one. The technical skills are knowledge of C, C++, Core Java, and these will be taught in the trainee, right? As it is a trainee role, initially they will be conducting a training for all the freshers, whoever successfully cleared the two rounds. For them, there will be a training. Once they undergo the training and they complete it, there will be a test at the end. If you successfully complete the test, you will be hired as a full-time employee. So this is about that. Coming to the recruitment process, I have already told you. And eligibility, the freshers are eligible starting from 2018 to 2021 can apply. So the best thing is, as I mentioned, there is no coding down. So now coming about how to apply, you can send your resume to here, careers@steerit.net. Or you have any other questions or details, you can click this steer. This page will be opened. You can see this. You can check out more about this company, their events, their products, their services, because it is always good to know about a company before you apply, right? So here under the careers page, you can find out what are they looking for. You can see this role. As of now, they are hiring trainee software engineer. You can see this. Now you can apply for this. Now how to apply? As I mentioned, if you wish to apply for these positions, you can directly send your resume here, careers@steerit.net. So I think, as I said, it is a startup based company in Bangalore. The thing is, they will be hiring preferably from the same location. I guess so. Whether you are from that Bangalore or not, you can still apply because most of the people shift to Bangalore or relocate to Bangalore, right? And everybody is interested. So you can still apply for this. Coming to this package, it is not mentioned anywhere or even on Glassdoors. There were no reviews about the salaries. So as it is startup, I think you can expect about 3 lakhs package, okay? Up to 3 lakhs or 3.2, something like that. You can expect that salary here. So that's a good. If you do not have any good opportunities, like if you do not get into MNCs or something like that, you can apply for these kind of positions because here you will get to work with a project. You will be assigned a project in a startups, but not in MNCs. You will get very rare chance in an MNC to get to get a project. But in startups, you will be working on projects. So that's great thing, right? You have a good working knowledge only in startups rather than MNCs. So if you have any other questions apart from this, you can ask me in the comment section below. I know your question would be, what is the last day to apply for this, right? So as long as this position is available under the careers page, you can apply for this. As I mentioned, freshers can apply for this position. So thank you so much for watching this video.